People drop orders all the time. They always leave stuff in their checkout, they leave stuff in the cart, they're ready to purchase, and then they don't. There's probably like 1,000 reasons why they left their products in the cart. You're probably wondering, why am I getting so many people to my checkout, but a large chunk of them are not buying? This could be reasons like they got distracted with phone calls, text messages, social media notifications. Maybe they were on break and they have to go back to work. Maybe they were trying to scroll while they're sitting at the intersection during a red light and the light turned green and now they have to go. Their grandma showed up, their dog got loose. It could be a million reasons why they abandoned their cart. And it's up to you to send an email to remind them, like, hey, you guys forgot something. Are you sure you don't want to buy this still? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create abandoned cart emails on Gumroad. That way you can send a reminder to those people that forgot their product or just didn't have the time to finish the purchase. And you could recover some of those lost sales. Now, there's some research done showing that up to 70% of people abandon their carts at checkout. And it gets even worse with mobile shoppers. Up to 85% of mobile users will abandon their carts during checkout. So by sending these emails, you're giving those customers a second chance to complete their purchase. It's super effective too because sometimes all people need is a little reminder or maybe an extra incentive like a small discount or free shipping or maybe some persuasive like videos, testimonials and things like that to kind of get them through the whole purchase phase. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make those abandoned cart emails on Gumroad. So when you come right here to Gumroad, you're going to go on the left sidebar to workflows. You can see I have some workflows already created, but we're going to create a new workflow. And this will be for, once again, that abandoned cart email. So what this is going to do is basically when somebody abandons their cart for a particular product, or even all your products if you want to, you could send them an email. So let's first give a name to this workflow. I'm going to do it for my Framer landing page. Framer landing page reminder. So that's going to be the name. It's going to be an abandoned cart, which is going to be the trigger. So whenever somebody abandons their cart, it's going to trigger this message. So now we want to do it for that one particular item. So we'll go to Framer landing page, website bakery theme. So now whenever someone abandons this item, it'll send them the email we're going to create right now. Let's click save and continue. And now we can edit the email. And also you can only create one email reminder. You can't create a string of reminder emails. So you have to make this one email count. So the first thing you want to do is change the subject line. You could leave it as it is. You could change it to whatever you want. So I'll just go ahead with, you forgot this behind during your checkout. And it kind of makes them curious, like, what did I forget? What did I leave at checkout? It should be, the subject line should be good enough to make them want to go and find out what the heck did they forget behind, or what is it we're talking about. That way they come and look at this email. All right, so now in this section, you can see on the right preview panel, they are getting reminded of what they forgot inside of their shopping cart. Okay, so let's customize this email. First, I'm going to remove this right here. And now I'm just going to use a template that I normally just copy and paste over. I'll paste it in here. So I'm not going to use it as it is. I'm going to have to make a few changes. So right here in the bottom, best, and then I'll write my name. You could put your name, complete your purchase now, and enjoy your new, and let's put the name of the product. So this is a Framer landing page. I'll just remove this. Framer, whoops. All right, so Framer landing page. So we noticed you left something behind in your cart. We just wanted to remind you that your item are still, Your item is still waiting. We'll change that a little bit. It's still waiting for you. As a special thank you, use code, and this is where I would put a discount code. You don't have to use a discount code, but since I only got one email to send, I'm going to try to entice the customer with a discount. That way they could get a little discount on the product, finish their purchase, I get a sale. So what I'm going to do right here, I'm going to open another page on the checkout. I already created a discount for this one. So I'm going to go right here on edit. I'm going to copy this discount code. Now I'm going to go back to my email and I'm going to change this and put in the code. Put it in bold. As a special thank you, use code at checkout to get, and this is a 10% off discount. So 10% off your purchase. Hurry, this offer is only valid for next 24 hours. Actually, it's going to be valid beyond that. So I'll just take that off. Complete your purchase now and enjoy your new Framer landing page. Best, the motto. So once we're done, we'll click publish. Workflow published. Now we'll go back to the details. We'll go back to the workflows. And here it is. You forgot this behind during your checkout. Framer landing page reminder. The delay is 24 hours. So 24 hours, they'll get this reminder email. And that's it. That's all you have to do to create the abandoned cart email.